Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then find and open the Play Store. You will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device, so you can do it right now after entering the Play Store, or you can do it in the device's settings. You can of course check our tutorial of how to do it. Alright, so now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner. It is basically our account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which can be updated, so all you have to do is to mark those which you want to. So of course, if you want to, you can update all of them. I will just update the calculator, maybe contacts, and digital well-being. After marking, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and now your device will download the update, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.